Hello children. Today we will be learning the lesson number 7, working with the Paint 3D. So before starting the application, I would like to inform you about the Paint 3D requirements. If you have Windows 10 system, the operating system must be Windows 10. Then only you can install Paint 3D in your computer. So this is Windows 10. In this system we have Windows 10. So I have already downloaded the Paint 3D from the Google. Here I will be starting it now. If I want to start it, I will go to the Start button, Windows button. Here I have to search for the Paint 3D. Just scroll your mouse. So you can scroll like this. See children, here you all have Paint 3D. Normally you have learnt Paint. So this is all about the Paint 3D. When you open the application, this kind of screen will be displayed on your monitor. Here it is asking me to open the existing file. Either I can open the existing file or I can go to the new. So first I will take new here. When I take new, you all can see the fresh page has come here. So this is the drawing area. Here you have title bar, standard toolbar and the sub toolbar of the particular option. Okay, and here you have a selector area which will help you to specify the specific options. Now I will be teaching you about brushes. Brushes will help you to draw different kind of lines. So when you take a brushes, here in the brushes you have many kind of brushes. There is a marker and there is calligraphy pen, even you have a oil brush, even there is watercolor, there is pixel pen, pencil, eraser, crayon, spray can and fill color. So whichever you want you can just take that. Example, I will take this marker. So when I take this marker, here you can increase the thickness, how thick you want the line, and opacity means how much visible it should be. And you can just take here, you can draw it. So this is all about the marker. If I want oil brush, I will take this oil brush. Thickness of the oil brush will be more comparing to the other brush. So this is all about the oil brush children. Just reduce the thickness. Keep on drawing. If you don't want, just go to the eraser. Thickness, how much? So this is what about the eraser. If you draw something with a pencil, if you want to fill color, fill is there. Select the color, click on it. Understanding children? So this is all about the brushes. Now if you want to select the particular area of brush, there is a select option. You all can see in the corner, top left corner. Select. Just move it wherever you want. You can increase the size or you can decrease the size. It's all depend upon your creativity, how you use this innovative tools. If you want to crop is also there. It will help you to crop the particular area over there. Undo, there is an undo option also here at the top right corner. So likewise you can take it. Understood children? Here you can change the 3D weave also like that way. This is all about the zooming option. Okay children. In next class we will be learning the further part of it. Thank you.